What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. Today we got our final parts in here so we can start working on the truck for doing our tube work stuff. We got our notcher now from a company called Buildco Tools. Take a dive in here. All right, looks like what we got in the box here comes with one of the Buildco Tools stickers. This is the shaft here for driving the hole saw. All right, as far as I can tell, there's no directions that came with this. It should be fairly simple. This is like your main body here. This should go all in here. Might have to take some bolts apart and stuff, I'm not sure, but if you're watching this video, you're gonna watch it, see if we put it together anyway, so, or you've already researched other videos and stuff, and I'm sure other people have already done this. Should be, I mean, there's only a couple pieces on here, so it couldn't be that hard. Come painted or anything, it's all raw steel, so I think I'm gonna shoot some spray paint over it and stuff, and then that way I don't have to do it later. Everything except the aluminum piece here, I'll leave that like that. All I got is black really, so we'll just throw some black on it. We're gonna keep the same colors that we did on the bender, black and gray and stuff. I don't have any primer right now. Used it all on the bender. Bender turned out really good, so I think we'll stick with those same colors. Now, if you see my other videos, I'm not a painter. I don't claim to be a painter whatsoever, so if it looks like a 2-year-old painted this, good reason. All right, I'll let this dry and flip them all over. All right, everything is dried overnight. We'll go set this all up in the vise. Definitely had the wrong cap on for this. I thought it was the same gray as the bender, but it was this copperish color. But whatever, it'll still look good. We'll change it later if need be. Put all this back together. Might actually have that too tight. This is gonna be a little bit looser and stuff. I have them too tight right now. When I put it back together, that way the bearings and stuff will let it roll. All right, ever so slightly. There we go. Now it's moving freely. All right, we got the back part on. Put your tube in there, tighten it down. Oh, it does have this knob back here, if I would remember. That way you can pull it. Next, put this the shaft thing on there. It also has the slider and stuff for it built in, so you get different angles on it, or different heights. Yeah, there we have it. Oh, it's nice. They got this little etch mark in here for your height also. Got on both sides and stuff, so depending on what side you're standing on, you can still see it. Last piece of the puzzle here. You'll just slide right in. Alright, there we go, now we got it. Alright guys, that was a Buildco Tools notcher. Pretty slick for the price and stuff, I think. They're a small company and stuff, so might as well share the love. But yeah, make sure if you're looking for a notcher, this one I think was in the $600 range. So check them out.